to Kenyans. As Caroline Njenga explains on this week's episode of Tax 101, the digital service tax is charged at the rate of 1.5% on income generated through sale of e-books, movies, music, games, and other digital content.
Digital Service Tax was enacted through the Finance Act 2020 with an effective date of 1st of January this year. The digital tax service is charged at the rate of 1.5% on income derived or accrued in Kenya from a service offered through a digital marketplace. Previously, the digital service tax regime applied to both resident and non-resident who fell under the bracket of digital service providers. This was amended through the Finance Act 2021 and exempted resident individuals from paying digital service tax. This means that only non-resident individuals and any resident who provided services are subject to digital service tax effective July this year. This offered relief to locals who are already subject to tax on the income that they derive from the digital platforms. It is levied on the sale of e-books, movies, music, games, and other digital content. The digital service tax also applies to foreign companies like Amazon, Netflix, Facebook, and Google, among others. Non-residents can now use foreign currency when carrying out business over the internet, electronic network, including a digital marketplace, which simplifies compliance for non-residents. Incomes exempt from digital service tax include income subject to withholding tax, online services provided by government institution, and a non-resident person who is in the business of transmitting messages via radio, cable, optical fiber, television, internet, satellite, or other such methods of communication. The law requires those subject to digital service tax to file the returns on or before the 20th day of the month that follows when the service was offered. The digital marketplace is the latest frontier in the modern economy for the government to expand the country's tax base and increase additional revenue. Kenya Revenue Authority targets to raise 5 billion shillings from the digital economy. Caroline Njenga for Primetime Edition.